Yo, this is Nathan Schmidt with Earl Loan Company. Today we got Lynn Grotto from WeatherGuard. He's going to show us a new lighted toolbox. Check it out.
This is Lynn. I'm with WeatherGuard. I'm over at Earl Loan this morning. I wanted to spend a few minutes talking about our WeatherGuard truck boxes and a truck box light kit that we've introduced. We have a tamper-resistant lock that helps reduce break-ins. As you can see, it's recessed. When it's unlocked, it's out. Quick push-button lock. A couple other features that we have is an automotive-grade D-shaped triple-ribbed weather stripping. It helps eliminate moisture buildup inside the box or leaking. This particular box is the light matte finish. We also have clear coat as well as black gloss. As you know, when you mount a box in your bed, you eliminate some of the front tie down, so we offer these for additional securing loads. Have heavy-duty auto-grade rotary latches for security of the box itself. Make sure you protect what you have inside. We have a double channel lid, which the benefits would be you can close it from either the passenger side or the driver's side without having to run around. For those of us that work out at truck boxes, we've all had situations where the sun's going down, we're still on the job site, we're working in a parking garage and we can't quite see what's in the box. WeatherGuard now is offering a light kit that can be included in the purchase of a new box, or we can retrofit any boxes that are in the field itself. It has LEDs that are designed to shine into blocks without blinding you. It puts the light where it needs to be. It's a quick install that either attaches to your 7-pin harness on the back for a Chevy, a GM, and also a Ford. If you have a Ram, Nissan, or a Toyota, we have a harness that would go directly to the fuse box.
We'd like to thank Lynn for coming out today and showing us the WeatherGuard lighted box. Remember to like and subscribe and tune in every Friday for new products, installation, and reviews like this.